Welcome back, everyone. My name is Ryan, and today we are going to be talking about how to pack like a minimalist for your upcoming trip. So we're going to get all of this stuff that you see here into this backpack. But before we get started, I wanted to mention this video is sponsored by Amazon Prime. So if you guys don't already have Amazon Prime, check the description down below, and I will have 30 days free membership down there. That includes Amazon Prime, Amazon Music, video, Twitch, all of that good stuff. In the description, 30 days absolutely free. And yeah, check the description. So what I have here is 3 pairs of shorts, a pair of jeans, 4 pairs of underwear, 4 socks, a tank top, 3 t-shirts, 2 books, an iPad, and 2 pair of shoes. And we're going to get all of that and more into this backpack here. So the first thing that you want to think about is where you're going. So I'm going somewhere that's relatively hot, and so I kind of prepared for that. I only have 1 pair of jeans because I know I'm going to be working outside and I'm going to get dirty, so I wanted to bring those. And other than that, everything pretty much matches up. I have shorts, tank top, the same amount of shirts as I do underwear and socks, and the same amount of shorts and jeans as I do shirts. I am bringing sandals and a pair of shoes, as well as an iPad and some books, and I'll also be able to fit other things in there like cell phones and things like that. So the next thing that you want to think about is what you're going to be actually wearing the day that you are traveling wherever you are going. A lot of times people miss out on that, and you end up bringing extra things because you think that you're packing for 4 days, but in reality you're already wearing the clothes that you're going to be wearing on the very first day. So right off of the top of that, I know I'm going to be wearing these shoes here. So I'll put those to the side. I will obviously have a pair of underwear and a pair of socks and some shorts and a t-shirt. So right there off the top, I went from packing all of these things, I've already reduced it by 1 full day. So next, there's a special technique that I want to show you on how to fold your clothes so that they're more easily accessible and that you'll be able to get to them easier. So one thing that I used to do that was always really frustrating is I would pack like with like. So that makes sense. I would pack all my shirts here like this, and pack all my shorts, and underwear and socks go together, and I would just pack it like that. But the problem is when you need a pair of socks, a pair of underwear, shorts, and a shirt, you have to dig out the stuff from the bottom, from the middle, and from the top, and then it all gets all turned around and you don't know what's dirty or clean, and it's just a mess. So the technique that I want to show you is this. You can take a pair of shorts like this and a shirt, and what we're going to do is I folded this in half already, and we're going to eventually fold it into thirds. So it'll be like this, and then all of the clothes will be relatively uniform to the same size. But what we're going to do is fold it just one time like this, fold the shirt into thirds. So I have it folded normally and then fold it into a third so that it fits right here into my pants. I'm going to take 1 pair of socks and 1 pair of underwear, because if you're going to change the other stuff, you're probably going to change that as well. And I'm going to put it all in here into my shorts and then fold the last third. So you can see now I have 1 little pouch, and this is 1 day of what I'm going to wear. So when I go to wear this for 1 day, I just set this flat in my backpack, and I don't have to dig through all of the stuff and mix it all up. So I can take the shorts here again and do the same thing. Fold my shirt 3 times, like so. Underwear and socks. And again, it's all in one pack, fold it up, and you got yourself day 2. Put that in there. Day 3. And I'm just kind of doing this as you go, but you don't necessarily have to pack the jeans with the tank top. I didn't think about that, but it's just showing you guys. So same thing here. And fold it again. Boom. So that's 3 days worth of clothes right there, and my backpack's not even halfway full. So I could put sweatshirts in there, other things that I'm sleeping in, etc. My 2 books can go in the back here, along with my iPad. And a trick with the flip-flops, you can tuck them into each other, like that. And you can put them in the side where a water bottle might go. Tucked in like that, they're good to go. You can have your water on the other side still. And in the front here, I can put medicine, toothpaste, deodorant, shampoo, all of that stuff. And then I have another little zipper here that I could put chargers, phones, other things like that. So I still have a lot of room. I would probably take a sweatshirt and sweatpants because I'm going to be camping, so I'm possibly going to be cold in the night. And I could even throw a blanket in there, and I'm going to be good to go. So the big tip here to save space and save time and frustration is to fold into thirds and fold the entire day in with that day's clothes instead of keeping like with like. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, share it with a friend. Make sure to check out that Amazon Prime, and I'll see you guys next time.